Hello friends, today we are going to make this Origami Heart. You can make it in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. We would need a square sheet of paper. Now, along its diagonal, fold the paper in half. Now, open the paper and then again fold the paper in half along the second diagonal. Now open the paper again and take one corner and match it to the center of the model. And then take the opposite corner and fold it along the dashed line as shown in the video. Now rotate the paper 180 degrees and then take one side and match it to the center of the paper as shown in the video. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Tighten all the creases. If you are liking the video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Now flip the paper over and then along the dotted line fold it in half. Now repeat similar fold on the two sides along the dotted lines. Heart is ready now. You can gift it to your friends and your dear ones. Head over to our channel to see more videos like this.